All right, this is a walk around of my 2004 C4S in Guards Red. This is, according to all of my Porsche Club friends, a unique color to see in the 996 generation C4S in 2004. Guards Red, one of my personal favorites. The Techno Twist wheels. The paint is in good condition. It will be heading to Premier Armor. I'm looking forward to that. Nice window tint, including the windshield, visor strip, love it. Of course, the turbo wide body chassis shared with the C4S and the 996 Turbo. I love the C4S. The front end looks great. It's got the turbo style front splitter and the GT2 rear wing.